Hello, my name is Charles from IHMG Creations. Thank you for purchasing this resource. Here's a quick tutorial on how to get access to the resource as well as some ideas of how you can use it effectively in your remote learning classroom. When you download the PDF file, please go to page 3 and click on the editable Google Slides link, and that is going to ask you to make a copy of this resource. Once you do that, you have complete access to your own version where you can make edits, you can make changes, you can take slides out, you can put slides in. If you don't like the way a question is worded, you can change that. So please just go ahead and make a copy, and then that way it won't impact the original. So I'm going to be working with a demo version. So this is what you're going to see once you make a copy. If you go to the second page, there is a one-hand book study tutorial for students to help them get started. There's also a tutorial on how to do the student small business plan that you can include for your students. And then if you cannot read this book with your students, or if they don't have a copy of their own, you can click on this link right here, and it will take you to a read aloud that I did of the book, and so students can listen to the book before they
small loan made a big difference.
Before they answer the questions. So I just wanted to point that out to give your students access to the text if they don't have it. Then we have some different parts. So we have the main part, which is the book study. So anytime there is a blue box, that is going to ask students to type in an answer there. So they just need to put their cursor in the box and then answer. So there is some basic questions that they need to answer in complete sentences and use text evidence. So there's a couple pages of that. And then after they complete that, then there is a story elements page where they list the character, setting, and the plot and the theme. So you can include that. Then there are some math activities. So the first activity looks at how quickly Kojo's hen's eggs multiplied as he got more hens and they laid more eggs, as well as how table on how quickly his profits soared. There are 3 different word problems. So once again, the students just click in there. I'm going to have my students do work on a separate piece of paper and then just type in the answer there. Now, something that if you wanted to include that I think that would be a really cool project-based learning experience to end the year would be this small business plan. So they get to kind of go through the same steps that Kojo did. So they can type this, replace this and put their name in there. If they want to take a picture of themselves or their product and put it in there, they can do that. And there's 5 parts of the business plan. The first part is the business basics with the name, the idea, benefit, costs, and risks. Then there is a page where they have to list out 2 ways that they could secure $200. Now that might be through doing extra chores, getting birthday money, taking out a loan from their parents, and then a list of the things that they would use that $200 on to get their business started. There is a marketing plan that they need to come up with. So they kind of create a slogan and a logo. Now the logo might be a little bit tricky. They might have to create something and then take a picture and then download it there. Or they can search for an image online that represents their product and put it in there. I'm going to do this with my class. I'm going to give them extra credit if they can create an actual advertisement, either on video or a written thing, and then download and send that to me. Now, if you don't want to include that, I would highlight it and delete it. So I'll leave that up to you. Then there are 2 slides that look at how their business is going to impact the community. First, through the taxes that are going to be collected, as well as opportunities to give back to places in their community that they would like to support. There is an answer key. So these slides are just the answers to the questions, both the reading and the math. And then down here, there's an opportunity for you to make your own small business plan. So this would be a fun way for you to connect with the students and have fun with it and create your own product that would kind of show them who you are and give them a little insight to what you want to do after teaching. So then you would then share that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how to isolate certain slides to assign on their own. So let's say that you only wanted to do the book study portion, you did not want to do the math, and you did not want to do the small business plan. What you would do is you would highlight just the slides that you wanted to include. And I would include the story map, or the story elements. Then you're going to go to File, make a copy of just the selected slides. And you could call this Kojo book study or whatever you wanted to call it. What it's going to do, it's going to make a copy of just those slides. At this point, you could easily assign this to your students through Google Classroom or through some other method. If you have not been using Google Classroom, I would highly encourage you to check it out. If you need help getting started, email me and I can walk you through that process. Now, at this point, then students would go through and answer the questions, and then they could submit it to you as an assignment. And you could do that with the math part, you could do that with a small business plan, and you can just isolate those different components if you did not want to assign it all at one time. If you have any questions, please email me at ihmgcreations@gmail.com, and I would be happy to help you work through any issues or answer any questions you have, or if you have any ideas or feedback on how to make this product better, I would love to hear it. Thank you, and have a great rest of your school year.